Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to resize image files in Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. You'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials to access the Power Automate dashboard. This platform allows you to create powerful automated workflows that can save you tons of time on repetitive tasks. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, look over to the left side of your screen and click on Create. This will open up several options for different types of flows you can build. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow allows you to trigger automation manually whenever you need it. Next, you'll see a prompt asking how you want to trigger this flow. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow and then click the Create button to begin building your automation. Now you'll see your flow canvas open up. Click the plus icon to add your first action. In the search bar that appears, type Get File Content. For this tutorial, we'll be working with images stored in OneDrive, so when the results appear, click on Get File Content from OneDrive. This action will allow your flow to access the image file you want to resize. In the file field that appears, click the folder icon. This will open a file browser where you can navigate through your OneDrive folders. Locate the image file you want to resize and click on it to select it. This tells Power Automate exactly which file to work with during the automation. Now click the plus icon again to add another action. In the search bar, type Cloud Mersive Resize. You'll need to scroll down through the results until you find it, so take your time here. Cloud Mersive offers various image processing tools, and you're looking specifically for the one that says Cloud Mersive Resize an Image. Once you find it, click on it to add it to your flow. In the first field of this action, you'll need to input the width you want for your resized image in pixels. Then in the second field, input the height you want. These dimensions will determine the final size of your image, so choose values that fit your needs. For the third field, click the thunder icon on the right side. This opens the dynamic content panel. From the options that appear, click File Content. This connects the image data from your OneDrive file to the resize action. Now go back and click on the Get File Content action above. Copy the file name that appears there. Then click back on the Resize an Image action and paste that file name into the fourth field. This ensures your resized image keeps a similar naming structure. Click the plus icon once more and search for Create File, then click it. This action will save your newly resized image back to OneDrive. First, input the folder path where you want the resized image to be saved. Then input a file name for your new image. On the File Content field, click the thunder icon and select Body from the Cloud Mersive section. This takes the resized image data and saves it as your new file. Your automation is now ready to save and run. Whenever you trigger this flow, it will automatically resize your image to your specified dimensions and save it to your chosen location. And that's it. You've successfully created an automated image resizing workflow in Power Automate. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.